On the go? Out and about and away from the computer? Or maybe you're perfectly comfortable on the couch with your favorite blanket. Democracy Federal Credit Union's mobile app puts online banking at your fingertips. You can log in with your username and password, or if your phone supports it, fingerprint recognition or Face ID. Once you've logged in, you'll have quick access to Democracy Federal Credit Union accounts. You can even link external bank accounts for ultimate banking convenience. Click on the account to get details on recent transactions. Swipe to switch to another account. You can even make transfers, deposit checks, or pay bills from the account page. Back on the main page, click on the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner to access these tools, as well as a number of useful banking tools such as budgets, savings goals, and person-to-person transfers with AccuLink. You can also change your account settings to customize the display color and names of your accounts, the types of notifications you'd like to receive, change your password, and set up fingerprint recognition or Face ID. And finally, check locations, contact support, and log out when you're finished with your banking session. On Apple devices, you can find the app in the App Store. On Android devices, you can find the app in the Play Store. For both, be sure to search for Democracy Federal Credit Union. Thank you for being a valued member of Democracy Federal Credit Union. If you have any issues with setting up the mobile app, please get in touch with us. We're happy to help.